Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by testing responsiveness. Press Alt plus Tab to see if Garry's mod is stuck or the entire system is frozen. If the game stays on top, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. This gives you process-level control. Once Task Manager appears, locate Gmod. EXE or Steam, right-click and choose End Task. If Task Manager won't open, make sure to use Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and select Task Manager from that screen before proceeding to more forceful options. If Task Manager is available, you should end Gmod. EXE first, then Steam. EXE to avoid corrupted states. This ensures files unlock and Steam can restart cleanly. Once done, check processes and background processes for related entries and end them too. If Alt plus F4 works, it's cleaner, but don't rely on it when the app is frozen. If nothing responds, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and either sign out or choose Restart. That's safer than immediately pulling the power, because it lets the OS close files properly. Once you're back in Windows, restart Steam and verify Garry's mod files from properties right arrow local files, right arrow verify integrity. This fixes corrupted files that cause freezes. Then launch with a minimal setup. Disable add-ons and start the game with the auto-config or a clean launch option to rule out custom settings. If freezes persist, inspect the add-ons folder and remove recently added content. Troubleshooting tip. Isolate the issue by re-enabling add-ons one at a time to find the offending mod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.